So at Buckland Mills, we are a community of lifelong learners, critical and passionate thinkers, and responsible citizens of the world. So part of that is we bring our students out here to our school garden to help become explorers and inquirers and problem solvers through nature.
Our second graders this morning, we read aloud Save the Bees, and we learned all about pollination. And then our fourth graders, they were actually working to create pollinator art. So we had all different mediums. They had paper and they had puzzles and magnets and recycled jars and rocks that they could create.
Our learning garden has been with us since we've been in kindergarten. Sometimes we observe the animals, sometimes we plant flowers or rare type of species.
Strawberries, we have some garlic we're gonna harvest.
And sometimes we even just chill in it.
When you see the students outside, you just see a different energy level, a different kind of engagement with everything. We are always looking for innovative ways to get our kids outside and learning. We are a Virginia Naturally School and also a Green Flag School, so that means that we are taking in other things as well and bringing other things into that outdoor learning. And so that all becomes a part of that bigger picture and our bigger goals really as a school.